Welcome to this short tutorial on Virtual Universe version 2. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to create a new smart resource in Virtual Universe by reusing 3D model from SolidWorks. Here we have a conveyor line, and the objective is to insert a new tool that will automatically push and evacuate the boxes on the output conveyor. So let's stop the simulation, and now we go in SolidWorks, where we have this electrical pusher that we would like to reuse in our project. What we are going to do is to save the entire SolidWorks project in a 3D XML file, and we will save this file in a temp folder. We can verify in the temp folder that we have this 3D XML file. Now, in Virtual Universe, we open the setup window, which shows the entire project tree, and at the top level of the world, we select the SolidWorks import tool. Then we select the 3D XML file and we launch the import process. It takes very short time to import the entire pusher, and the original structure of the pusher in SolidWorks is respected in Virtual Universe. Thanks to the 3D compass, we can easily position the new resource inside the project in Virtual Universe. And now we are going to identify the mobile part of this electrical pusher. So here is the mobile part, and we will open a motion assistant tool. This tool enables to easily define the motion control expected for the device. Here we decide to control this pusher by time. We define the travel limits and the time needed to go out and to go in. This tool enables to try the new motion with the simulation thanks to the activate button. And we can see here that there is no collision between the pusher and the boxes. So we need to activate the physics for this mobile part. So here we select the 3D object and we activate physics true. Now we are going to add an internal logic, an internal behavior to the electrical pusher so that it can interact with the other resource in the project and also can be controlled by an external PLC. So first we had an input signals that we will call a push order from PLC, and we will add a controller to this device, and in this controller we can use different kind of programs, ladder or SFC function block program. So here we choose ladder program, and we create a small program which takes the move action as a coil and a contact. We select the signal pusher order. So now we can run the simulation and see what is the result. So during the simulation we can access to different debug tools, and this tool is the list of the entire input and output signals. So here we have the input signals of the pusher, and when we force the value, when we manually force the input signals, we can see that the behavior of the pusher is correct. And we can also see that the collision between the box and the pusher are correctly simulated. During simulation, it's also possible to visualize and to debug all the internal controllers used in the virtual system. And typically here we can visualize the ladder program used to emulate the behavior of the electrical pusher. So this debug tool is very helpful to analyze how works the device, to detect some potential programming error, and to proceed some change if needed. So now let's imagine that we have completed the behavior of the pusher. So then we will call it pusher, for example, and we will save this resource as a reusable resource in our library. So in Virtual Universe, this is possible to export your 3D resource in a library so that you can reuse them for future simulation projects. So here we have saved our pusher in the library, and now we can access in Virtual Universe to the library menu and browse the entire library and see that the pusher has been added in the library. So here, by a simple drag and drop of the pusher, we can add several instances of the same pusher in our project. This is the end of this short tutorial on Virtual Universe version 2. There are many other great functionalities in Virtual Universe, so do not hesitate to contact us for a free trial.